Go.
All right, we're on the job site this morning. It's Mountain Earth Farm. We rented a machine just to make it easier working on this tall barn. So we're giving it a shot today. There's a learning curve to it though. And I'm scared of heights.
And I'm on the ground. Now, if you notice, our ladder, it only goes up to the first of the second story. It can go up a little bit higher, but to where we need to go way up here to the very top, our ladders just wasn't cutting it. So it was worth our time, our effort, and our expense to rent the machine that was going to keep us safe and allow us to get the job done, or allow him to get the job done.
It don't feel safe.
Well, it's safer than being stretching out that ladder.
Yeah, it's safer than being stretched out on that ladder. Scary cat when it comes to but it's still more secure up here than it did on the ladder.
All right. Can you explain to them what you're doing?
Well, the other day I couldn't.
Louder.
The other day I couldn't get these top bolts with my short ladder, so I'm putting in some screws in here so to hold up this side when I take that post out.
Now this whole corner on this upper side, if you notice how rotten that is, the post, we're taking out 4, maybe 5 boards across one side, 4 to 5 boards on the other side, and then replacing that whole post with a brand new pressure treated post. And then put all new boards. Then he's also going to repair the top of that tin where it's messed up. I could control that from the ground, but he doesn't want me to control it from the ground. You want me to control it?
Yeah. I don't think you can after I switched up here. Why am I not going up any higher?
Okay, so now you've got your supports to where we can start taking these boards down the corner.
Yep.
And they're just, I mean, they're just crumbling. Yeah. They're rotted. They're breaking in two. I'll tell you what, I'll bring you back on at the end of the day, and you'll see the progress that we've made today. Hopefully, we hope to have this pretty much done today, or close to being done today. We'll have to wait and see, but we hope to have it close to being done today.
Let me,
Sawzall?
no, I need the crowbar and stuff.
Okay. Well, I have got to go because I am his go-getter. So, but we'll bring you back on. Go. Go.
I doubt if you can hear me. I'm a long ways away.
If you talk really loud.
Took a picture of her, videotaping me.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm just trying to finish up on this barn here. Screw it down a little bit and put some silicone on these nails.
Yeah, it had a leak. That's why that whole corner was rotted.
Yep. And I don't like it up here at all. I know I'm in the same position as I was down there. I know in my mind. Don't help.
Well, you don't have to get out of the basket.
No, I'm not getting that bad. No. I can guarantee I'm not getting out of that basket. Unless I fall out. And I hope I don't do that.
So now he's just re-screwing the tin down where it's been flapping up. Oops, sorry. Didn't mean for my fat finger to get over the lens. I moved my finger and put it right over the lens. And he's just filling up some places that he feels like they would leak. Now this post was really unique, just me and him trying to get it up there. He put a brace coming out to hold it, and then we put ropes on it. And then it's just the point of setting it up and getting it on that seal. So, very unique, very old school. Think of ropes and pulleys, and that's kind of what we did. Well, we'll come back to you shortly.
Hey, Randy, I'm out there for him. All right, we finished with that barn corner. Aired it, and then we sidened it. That lift right there made it a whole lot easier.
We also repaired the hole in the tin.
Yeah.
That way it won't leak.
Go around on the inside and show on the inside. And then...
Whew.
It's hot.
Yes, it is. Now, I go inside and you'll see the inside piece. Oh. Now, we put all new, all the way up. top. That's a brand new 6x6 pressure treated in the corner. New boards, new supports. Okay. Let's head back around here to Randy. Yeah, and if the lift, it was well worth paying the rental. I think it was like $300, $350 a day. But when you look at working off of ladders this tall, just the safety issue was well worth, it's worth the money to pay it. Oh, Randy, we're back to you.
Like and subscribe.
Yes, please like, subscribe, and share. We love hearing your comments and suggestions.
Pretty good.
As always, remember, we love you. God loves you.
That looks weird. It's so new.
Have a blessed day.